I wanna make money. I love Instagram. What do I do?
Hey, keep me where the light is, keep me where the bright is. Too late, can you show me where the ride is? I've been on the low side, I've been on the...
What's good YouTube, it's your boy here, Dollar Influencer, and today we're back at it with another YouTube video. In this video, I will be showing you 3 ways in which you can make money on Instagram. I'm not going to bore you with a long speech of who I am and what I do, so without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So if you want to make money online, there are 2 things you have to do. The first being, check out this playlist where you can binge watch all my money related videos, and the second being, do this right now. Subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you are the first to be notified. And we have number 3. Number 3 is selling shoutouts. You probably know that growing an Instagram account is hard, hence people want shoutouts from theme pages or bigger pages. But here's the good news, growing a theme page is far more easier than growing a personal account. So how do you grow a theme page? There's actually a full video by Jared West whereby he explains how you can set up and grow a theme page. I will link it in the description down below, but just to give you a summary of what he said, set up a theme page, pick one niche, post consistently, and a pro tip here, posting videos tends to do far better than posting pictures. So once your theme page is established and is growing, you will start getting shout out requests from people around 10,000 followers. So growing your channel to 10,000 followers can take anywhere from 3 weeks to 2 months. So depending on how consistently you are posting and in what niche you are in, it can take either 3 weeks or even less than 2 weeks to get 10,000 followers. And once you reach that 10,000 followers, you will start seeing that people actually come to you to request for a shout out on your channel. And normally the ideal price for a page with around 10,000 or 15,000 followers, the ideal price for a shout out is $15. So we have number 2. Number 2 is flipping Instagram accounts. If you know who Financial Wolf is, you've probably seen that Financial Wolf actually makes more than $1,000 just by phone flipping. So yes, you can do the same thing with Instagram accounts. So what is Instagram flipping? So what we do is that we go on Instagram, find a theme page with at least 100,000 followers, and we reach out to the owner of this theme page and we ask them if they would like to sell their theme page to us for at least $100. If they agree, we have the theme page. What we do with the theme page is one of the following. You can choose one of these 2 options. The first being, take the Instagram account and sell it right away. For example, you are going to take this Instagram account which you bought for $100 and sell it for $200, and the difference is yours, which is the profit, $100. And the second option is taking this Instagram account and instead of selling it, growing it first at least to 150,000 followers. Once it reaches this amount, then you can reach out to bigger theme pages and ask them if they would like to buy your Instagram account for at least $300 or $400, which leaves you with a profit of $200 or $300 depending on how much you sold it for. I would personally go with option 2, which is growing the theme page first, then selling it later, because that will leave me with a higher profit. So the process of selling your Instagram theme page is reaching out to bigger Instagram accounts and then negotiate a deal with them. If your price was $200 and they offer you $100, guys, you can still say no and go look for a better deal. Just a quick reminder, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and then subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you are the first to be notified. And number 1 correlates with number 3 and is the opposite of number 2, which is growing then selling a Instagram theme page. Same thing as I said, it's easy to grow, but the main key aspect is to be consistent and stick in one niche on your theme page, as this is going to influence your growth on your theme page. Don't forget to check the video whereby Jared West will be telling you how to grow a successful theme page in less than 1 month. So guys, go check it out in the description down below. Anyway, that's all for me, and just one thing I forgot to say at the start of this video. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel. We just reached a new milestone on the 18th of August, which is 1,000 subscribers. So you can drop any Q&A questions down in the description down below, and I will be gladly answering the Q&A in a video or a live stream. And that's all from me, Dollar Influencer. I'm out.